I'm Daily from Get Schooled, and in this video, I'll share how you can turn your bedroom into a college study space. Before we jump into your bedroom makeover, make sure you subscribe to our channel right now. So the truth is, you'll spend a lot, and I mean a lot of time studying in college. First tip is to rearrange your bedroom furniture. This may help you feel like you're entering into a new phase of life, especially if you're continuing to live at home. Watch our How to Set Up Your Study Space video for more on that. Next, you'll want to make room for your new college textbooks and study materials. Think about how you want to keep this organized. Maybe consider getting a small bookshelf or creating space around your desk for all of your new college materials. Clean and put away high school material. How many old tests or projects do you have lying around? Hone your inner Marie Kondo and take this time to throw all of that away, unless you have some things you might find useful, like an old study guide or a formula sheet. Decorate with some college swag. Get into it. Show off your college colors, mascots, and you can even display your acceptance letter. Buy college studying essentials. Studying in college is no joke. You'll be spending all of your spare time studying. So we recommend making sure you have highlighters, note cards, notebooks, pens, or pencils. You might even want some of those erasable pens, just to name a few things. Think about the classes you'll take and what essentials you need to study best. Okay, there you have it. You now know how to turn your bedroom into a college study space. Do you have any ideas of how you're gonna set up your college space? Put them in the comments below. For more, text HELLO to 335577 or head to getschooled.com. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Ta-ta!